Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 24th to 28th August 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened during a Friday momentum on gold USD. So as you can see on Friday we saw a 1.88% positive move. 4604 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So let's go straight to a weekly chart and let's see what happened during a weekly momentum. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a bullish candle with a small lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 62.92 level, which is indicating as a slight negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's see what happened during our daily chart. So this is our daily chart. In this daily chart, some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here as you can see 4604 is the closing here. The direct support is 4600. Direct resistance is 4650. After direct support there is a support of 4568 and then 4522. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 4691 and then 4750. These are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So do mark this level as well on your chart. Also, if you want to learn trading for absolutely free, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you the details on how you can learn trading with no cost, with any cost. You just have to WhatsApp me, WhatsApp me on my number. I have already given my number in the description as well as in video. So do contact me over there. I will teach you. This is all will be a live sessions. So you don't need to worry. You don't have to pay anything for this live session. So do contact me. Also, if you don't have enough capital but you still want to trade in forex market, then I already shared Profirm links in the description where you get funding and you can trade in forex market. If you want to know more about it, you can still contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now let's talk about my opinion gold USD, that is XAU USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative move in this end, that is 4568 to 4600. Even I think that it can fall till this level as well, but we'll always go according to the candle closing, that is a confirmation candle. So here if we see a good momentum above 4650, or if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 4650 gets breached with a 4 hour or a 1 day candle closing. If you're going for any swing or positional trading, then only go for that once 4650 gets breached with a 4 hour 1 day candle closing, and you can target till this level, that is 4691. Even you can wait for this level by trailing your stop loss. I will also go for short, even though my expectation is a short here in the gold USD. I will also go for a short once 4600 gets breached with a 4 hour or 1 day candle closing. Then I will only go for a short till this level. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.